Assalamualaikum, my name is Wira Hidayat. I am a senior lecturer from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. We will learn about array in computer programming technique using C++. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the concept of 1- and 2-dimensional array, construct array declaration, initialization, and assignment, refer and access the element of array, and also manipulate array in C++ program. So what is array? Array is a variable that can store multiple values at the same time. This value is stored in the adjacent memory location. Array is declared using rectangular bracket operator. For example, we have an array called test5, and every each of the element is declared as an integer. Basically, in the declaration of int test in bracket 5, int is a data type of the array elements. Test is the name of the array. 5 in a bracket is the size declarator. It shows the number of the element in the array. The size of an array is the number of the elements times the size of each element. Test5 array means that it allocates up to 5th element of the memory. The size of an array is referred to the total numbers of bytes allocated for it, which means number of elements multiplied by the number of bytes for each element. For an example, int test5 is an array of 20 bytes, assuming of 4 bytes for an integer. Another example, long double measures 10 is an array of 80 bytes, assuming 8 bytes for a long double size. The size of the array can be declared using the constant. For example here, size is declared in the beginning of the as 5, and then when we use it as a size for the array when we declare the array. This will ease the program maintenance when the size of the array needs to be changed. Each element is assigned by a unique subscriptor starting from 0 and ended at n-1. In here, n is referred to the total number of elements. Array element can be used as a regular variable and can only be accessed through individual element, meaning that we cannot write cout test in this way, even though both of these arrays have the same size. Let's look at program 7.1. This program asks for the number of hours worked by 6 employees and store the value in an array. The variable array name hours contains 6 arrays is declared in line 8 and 9. User is asked to enter 6 different values to be stored in the array hours. Then we print out the value entered by the user. Let's say user is entering 20, 12, 40, 30, and 30 and 15 as shown in the output example here. Each of the value will be allocated starting from the first element, which is hours, subscript 0 until element 6, which is hours, subscript 5.